Hello, viewers. My name is Mr. Adebanjo, and today also we are going to solve another examination question. But before we solve that question, we are going to need this plane geometry to solve that question. The understanding of plane geometry will help you to solve that question. Now, there's going to be there's going to be a full video on plane geometry very soon. We're going to do, but let's just briefly do talk about this now. When you have two parallel lines, and there's a line that cut across those two parallel lines. That line is called line of transversal. So all angles are formed, different angles are formed. But the one that I need today in this to solve this question is the opposite in sum of the two opposite angles is equal to opposite interior angle is equal to 180 degrees. Opposite interior angle of this is equal to 180 degrees. That is this angle C here and angle D here, they are interior angles. So the addition of this and this will give us 180. The addition of angle F and angle D also will give us 180 degrees because they are opposite interior angles. So we are going to use that to solve this question now. If you look at the question says that in the diagram below, TS is a tangent. TS is a tangent to the circle at A, and AB is parallel to CE. Line AB is parallel to CE. That's why you're having arrows on them. Then angle AEC is 5s degrees. This angle here is 5s degrees. And angle ADB, A, then D, then B. This angle here is 60 degrees. We have to calculate angle TAE, angle TA, then E. This angle marks X that you have to find. So, okay, we are giving that, sorry, we are giving angle TAE as S degree rather. So we have to find the value of X. So if that should be the case now, you can see that this circle here is a cyclic quadrilateral one. This line and this line, this line is a quadrilateral. It's carved inside the circle. That's a cyclic quadrilateral. But that's not the all. This is a tangent TA. And if you look at tangent TA, this line here, this line AE is a chord. Line AE is a chord. If that should be the case now, also if you look at this line AB is also a chord. So, and that chord is touching this tangent. Also, this line A is also a chord touching this tangent. So that means there's going to be relationship. If you look at this chord AB now, there's going to be a relationship between this angle here, this angle SAB, this angle that is here, small angle that is here. There's a relation between this angle and the angle 60 that is here. Because if you look at this chord very well, this line is joined to it that is at D here, and this line is also joined to it at D here. So that means this angle 60 here is going to be equal to this angle here. Reason being that alternate angle, as you can see, alternate angle. We talk about theorem that says alternate angles. Sorry, alternate segment rather. Alternate angle in alternate segment are equal. Angle in alternate segment are equal. That is, this angle here is alternate is equal to this angle in alternate segments. So this angle is 60 degrees. This one is also 60 degrees. So if that should be the case now, if you look at this parallel line, this line is parallel to this parallel line. That means this line AE is a line of transversal to these two parallel lines. So that means this angle 5x and the angle that is here, total angle that is here, joined to this parallel line, this angle that is here, the addition of them will give us 180 degrees. Reason that's what I show you in the first diagram now, that opposite angles, opposite interior angle are supplementary. That this angle here we had plus this angle here will give us 180 degrees. So to get this angle here, if you remove this 5x from 180 degrees, that give us 180 minus 5x. So that's why this angle BAE is 180 minus 5x. So if I have angle BAE to be 180 minus 5x and this angle here to be 60 degrees, so total angle on this straight line will give us 180 degrees. Reason angle on a straight line. So the addition of this angle x plus 180 minus x plus 60 will give us 180, and that's what you're having on the screen right now. That this is angle on a straight line 180 degrees. So if you sum this plus this, that give us 240 minus this minus 5x plus 7 will give us minus 4x equals to 180. Then collect like terms, minus 4 equals to 180 minus 240, that give us minus 60. Then minus 4s equals to minus 60, s will equals to 15 degrees. So our s is 15 degrees from the question. The question is very simple. This angle here is equal to this angle here, angle in the alternate segment. So